Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to take the remaining part of our last topic, that is writing skill. So today we are going to take some questions on this topic. Writing skill exercise. So dear students, in last lecture we have taken one picture composition. So again we are going to revise this topic, and I have given one questions from your textbook page number 15. So read aloud the description of the picture given on below slide of this PPT. So before that, tell me, what is picture composition? Picture composition means describing a picture with meaning sentence is called picture composition. Describing a picture with meaningful sentence is called a picture composition. In last lecture, I have given you one picture for describing a picture with meaningful sentences. So again I am going to read this sentence. So observe this picture carefully and revise these sentences. So first sentence is that there is a big garden. Many children are playing in the garden. Some children are playing hide and seek. There are many trees in the garden and there are birds sitting on the tree. This sentence taken in the last lecture, and again we added some more sentences. So look at the picture given on slide number 2 carefully and read again more 5 sentences with me. So first sentence is that, so I requested to all the parents, so encourage the children to look carefully at the picture and discuss the colors, the clothes of the children in the picture, etc. Let them learn the art of observing things carefully. So some more sentences. First sentence is that a boy is painting a picture of tree. Second one, his mother is saying something to him. Third one, a girl is swinging from the branch of a tree. And fourth one, there is a bird's nest in one of the trees. Already sentence we have taken in last lecture. So dear students, in last lecture I have given one homework, that is describe the picture. Write the picture composition of your own. So again, have you seen this picture? So observe this picture. Now in this lecture I am going to give you these sentences, this picture composition. So try to learn and read after me. So first you have to observe this picture carefully. Already I was given a homework on this picture. Describe a picture with meaningful sentences. So I am going to describe this picture. So first, write a few sentences about the picture on above slide number 5 of this PPT. So the answer is, Bhaurao is a farmer. He has a small farm. He has 2 goats and a bullock. His wife and his daughter help him on the farm. Bhaurao has an axe in his left hand. There is a spade on the ground. He has turban on his head. His daughter is sitting on the ground and feeding a goat. His wife is doing some work. So dear students, have you observed this picture carefully? Yes, I know. So the name of that farmer is Bhaurao, and he has a small farm. He has a small farm, and he has two goats and a bullock and one bullock. He has two goats and one bullock, and his wife and daughter help him on the farm. His wife and his daughter help him on the farm. Have you seen an axe in his hand? Yes. In which hand? In left hand. Bhaurao has an axe in his left hand. Again, there is a spade on the ground. So students, what is meant by spade? Spade means, I will explain you. He has turban on his head. He has turban on his head. His daughter is sitting on the ground and feeding a goat. His daughter is sitting on the ground and she is feeding a goat, and his wife also doing some work. So students, see the words, new words, that is spade, turban, feeding. What is the meaning of this word? Axe. So meaning of new words I am going to explain. First, axe. Axe. Axe means tool of chopping. Tool of chopping. Chopping means लाकूड तोडायच्या हत्या किंवा कुऱ्हाड. टूल ऑफ चॉपिंग, लाकूड तोडायचे हत्यार. सेकंड वर्ड इज स्पेड. स्पेड मीन्स टोटल और ब्लेड ऑफ आयर्न यूज्ड फॉर डिगिंग. डिगिंग मीन्स खड्डे घेण्यासाठी जे काही आपण हत्यार वापरतो त्याला आपण फावडे किंवा कुदळ असं म्हणतो. फावडे किंवा कुदळ. ग्रामीण भागामध्ये त्याला खोरं असंही म्हटलं जातं. सो टर्बन. सो स्टुडंट्स, हॅव यू सीन टर्बन? येस. टर्बन मीन्स पगडी. मॅन्स ओरिएंटल हेड ड्रेस. पगडी, पागोटे, फेटा, डोक्यावरचा फेटा. दॅट मीन्स टर्बन. अँड फीड. द लास्ट वर्ड इज फीड. फीड मीन्स नरिश. नरिश मीन्स खाऊ घालणे, चारणे किंवा चारा खाऊ घालणे. भाऊरावची जी काही मुलगी आहे ती त्या शेतामध्ये बसून ती जी काही शेळी आहे तिला ती चारा खाऊ घालत आहे. हिज डॉटर इज सिटिंग ऑन द ग्राउंड अँड फीडिंग अ गोट. ओके डिअर स्टुडंट्स, if you are not completing these questions, so in this lecture you have to complete your last exercise question and you have to learn and read it. Okay, now see the next question. I am going to explain you again two questions from this topic. So first question is, look at the pictures and complete the sentences given below using your own words. Complete the sentences given below using your own words. Some pictures are given. So see, one has been done for you. This is a bicycle. This is a bicycle. He has a beautiful bicycle. The picture is given and you have to complete the sentences by using your own words. So I am going to use my own word is a beautiful cycle. He has a beautiful cycle. Okay, now see the next picture. Oh, this is a garden. This is a garden. Now I am going to use my own word. We have a park near our house. This is a park or garden. We have a park near our house. Let's see the next picture. Oh, this is a cat and this cat is sitting on the wall. So there is a cat sitting on the wall. There is a cat sitting on the wall. Now next one, see some flowers are there on the table. So your sentence is ready. There are two flowers on the table. There are two flowers on the table. Now dear students, let's move towards our next question. That is question number 5. Rearrange the letters to form meaningful words from the lesson. Now dear students, we are going to rearrange these letters to form a meaningful word from this lesson. So first word is, see, the words are not arranged properly. The letters are not arranged properly. Now you have to arrange these letters properly and make meaningful word. Okay, so first is RBDSI. This word has a haven't any meaning. This is meaningless word. That means scramble letters. So you have to write the correct word, that is birds. 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 Now let's see the next word. AYN, yum. AYN, yum. That means YANY. We are going to find out these words from this lesson. So first word is birds, second word is many, MANY. Now third one is RANDGE. So the answer is GARDEN, garden. GARDEN, garden. Now next one is EIDH, and the word is HID, hide. HID, hide. Next one is HDRCENLI, and the word is CHILDREN, children. And the last one is MSEO, and after arranging the letters properly, the word is SOME. So students, have you understood these questions? These are scramble letters. And you have to arrange these letters to form a meaningful word. You have to rearrange these letters to form a meaningful word. So from these letters, I arranged this in proper way and made some meaningful words. So first word is birds, second one many, third one garden, fourth one hide, fifth one children, and sixth one some. So dear students, write all these questions, 3 questions. First question was Bhaurava's farm. Second one is you have to write the sentences from the picture, and third one this question. So in this lecture you have to write these questions in your classwork notebook and you have to learn it. Okay, thank you.